Alright guys, I don't know if you've heard about G2a, but if you ever want to fill up your Steam library and get some great deals, come check out this website. Link will be in the description. I'm going to be getting this game real quick. Remastered Red Faction Gorilla. Slap it on there. Put on our little cart. And if you use this code that I'm put in, which will also be in the description, pretty much get yourself a little 10% off. Add discount code G2a US 10. Pretty much snag your game. Supports PayPal and any card peeps that you may use. There you go. As you can see, it's that easy. Pick a game, use your PayPal, crypto, or any of the other purchase vendors of your choosing, and snag a game for super cheap. I've been wanting to play this since freaking console when they re-released it, but never had the chance, so now I can add it to my library for really cheap. Check out the link in the description, and I'll be doing a giveaway, so make sure you hype up the video, make sure you like the video and share it, and if you haven't, subscribe. We talk about games here, and I also have a music channel if you want to check that out and support. We're usually live every day, and we're streaming a bunch of stuff and hanging out in the Discord. Stop by, snag some games, let's talk some games. And as you can see, click show me key and your key happens immediately. No issues on my end. It was pretty quick, pretty safe. Get your games.